Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing taillight gaskets because the only ones I can seem to find on eBay are from Latvia, and this was like not even $20 on Amazon for some neoprene padding gasket, which should be the same material as what comes off of these. I actually wanted to switch the taillights to clear on the top, red on the bottom. And for convertible, there is really no options. There are Euro taillights, but I have to do some more research because I think the wiring is a little bit different. But regardless, we're going to take these gaskets off of these taillights and we're going to mock them up on this, cut them out, and replace them. So quick and easy. I had a lot of problems in the past with leaking taillights, flooding the trunk, and I ended up cutting a bunch of material out of the trunk and welding new metal back in because of it. So yeah, I'm finally getting around to fixing it. Remember, as always, drop a comment below, like, subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and let's dive into this. So because all my trunk is stripped out, there actually isn't anything to hold these in, so I made these little tabs. This one just bends out, and then it's a 10mm socket. And that comes out. There we go. And here's the gasket that I'm going to remake. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to put this down to be able to get 2 out of 1. So I think I'm going to start on the inside. And there we go. We have a new gasket. Quick and simple. Now, there is these little gaskets for the bolts. I'm not really sure that I'm going to do anything with these because this is all that's on them. And if I add a thicker gasket to it, then the taillight may not sink all the way in flush. So for now, we're just going to put this back on the way that it was. And it's really that simple. We now have a new gasket. So it's got these little tabs. You're just going to fit it out and around those edges. My custom tabs. And there we go. And that's it. Quick and simple, DIY. Doesn't take any time. You know, that was all of a couple minutes, and just repeat the same process on the other side. No more leaks in your E46. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.